The main reason homeowners need repair is water leakage. Water can leak into walls and ceilings, ruining a house's interior. Water damage can also be caused by broken parts. Wood materials are notoriously difficult to repair, but they offer insulation and protection. However, you should never attempt a DIY repair unless you have experience. If you're unsure about whether you should tackle this task yourself, a free 9 inspection is available to give you an idea of what you're facing. If you are interested in learning more about the costs, contact Rancho Cordova Roofing Professionals. Our operated company has been serving Elk Grove for more than a decade. Using the latest technologies, we can repair a variety of types of roofing systems. We are experts that offer residential and commercial roofing services. Our company specializes in installing different types of roofing systems, including cedar shakes, asphalt composition, and cool shingles. While you may be able to repair your own roof, it is best to contact a contractor. A qualified professional can identify the issue and help you decide which option is best for you. Depending on the extent of damage, the cost can range anywhere from $150 to $5,000. In general, the cost of repair ranges between $850 and $950, and it is important to remember that the cost will depend on the severity of the problem.